Around the rocks, the rugged rascal ran.
Around the rocks,
Rocks.
Around the rocks, the rugged rascal ran.
Now, sinful Caesar.
Hiya, Cosmo.
Hello, Dawn. Shall I continue?
Oh yes, don't mind him. Go ahead.
Sinful Caesar sipped his snifter, seized his knees, and sneezed.
Sinful Caesar snipped his sifter.
No. Sipped his snifter. Sipped his snifter.
Oh, thank you. Sinful Caesar sipped his snifter, seized his knees, and sneezed.
Marvelous, 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 marvelous. Oh, here's a good one. Chester chooses chestnuts, cheddar cheese with chewy chives. He chews them and he chooses them. He chooses them and he chews them. Those chestnuts, cheddar cheese, and chives in cheery, charming chives.
Wonderful. Do another one.
Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously. Moses, he noses his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be.
Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously.
Moses, he noses his toes aren't roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be.
Moses supposes his toes are roses, but Moses supposes erroneously.
A Moses, a Moses.
All right!